This smoked and ham crostini with Havarti cheese is so good with this delightful sparkling red from Rappahannock. It's so wonderful. It's made from the Cabernet Franc grape and it's just delicious. So we're gonna start off with just a baguette and I'm gonna slice these between 1/4 and 1/2 inch thick. I want these to be kind of an appetizer party sort of food because when you have sparkling, nice light things just are what's best. All right, let's let the wine show through. Okay, so I'm gonna put these on a tray, just a little baking sheet. I wanna give them a little room just so the cheese, if it runs off, doesn't stick together and then you have to cut them apart. I don't like to do that. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of olive oil and just brush each one lightly. Just a touch of olive oil. This makes the bread nice and moist and it serves as that mayo or mustard that you would normally use on your sandwich. It also allows the bottom of the crostini to brown just a little bit because as it runs through the cracks, it gives you that little browning method. Take a little oregano, which is just perfect for this. It blends so well with that Cab Franc, with the sparkling, and it just gives a little hint of something in the sandwich. Usually people just go, well, what was that? Now, I'm gonna take a little bit of cheese, just a tiny bit. Now, this is grated Havarti, and I love to use Havarti on this. You can build crostinis any way you like, but this particular one just works so well with this wine. And it's a great little hors d'oeuvre before you have people sit down to dinner, or just a nice little snack. And you can make this for lunch, too, with larger pieces of French bread. That's also delicious. Now, I want to take just a little bit of my ham or my smoked turkey. I like the smoked meats on this because I think it brings out all the flavor better. Roasted turkey will work, but your flavors are going to be completely different. So I'm going to take about half of these with turkey and half with ham. My preference is usually the turkey, and my husband just loves these with ham. And when I'm making these sandwiches for lunch, usually I use sliced Havarti, because it's easy to put that on a sandwich and let that go. Now, a little bit of roasted red bell pepper. Now, you can use your own roasted red bell pepper. I love to roast my own, but when I'm really in a hurry, you can get some really great jarred red bell peppers. And I love the ones that are fire roasted for this particularly. Just a little bit of that red pepper. It just makes it pop. These make great little hors d'oeuvres for the holiday season or for football or just for a Saturday night with friends. They're so tasty. And then finish it off with just a little more cheese. When things fall off, you can either put them back on or you can let them roast and eat those little niblets off the pan. That's what I love. Now I'm going to put these in a 425-degree oven for about 8 minutes, maybe 10, depends on your oven, and they'll get nice and toasty golden on the top. They'll be baked through and they are going to be delicious. I've got a nice little tray, just something to make them look pretty as I present them. And they are just going to be so delicious to have with this wine. Oops. And as you can see, I've got lots of nice little crusty pieces on the tray that I just love to eat by myself. Now let's pour out this incredible sparkling wine. Sparkling is just incredible. Look at the gorgeous foam on that head. So great. And with this, I know you're gonna love it.